In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find send friend requests on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to Friends. Tap at See All next to Friend Requests, then tap at these three dots and select View Send Requests. That's where you can easily find your send friend requests. You can scroll down or up, and if you would like to cancel some friend requests, just tap at Cancel. That's how you can easily see send friend requests on Facebook.